Hi, I'm Jake Corning. I'm the Regional Automation Manager for Standard Products at Acieta. And today I'm going to be showing the floor mount kit for the FastLOAD CX1000. The floor mount kit is anchored to the floor in front of the customer's machine, and it makes it very easy to move the robot away and back into the same position, which makes it easier to touch up the points at the machine. The first step would be to anchor the plate to the floor in front of your machine. And next, you move the FastLOAD base up against the 3 points of contact on the brackets. Once all 3 plates are touching, you can lift it up off the ground and put these bolts in to secure the robot base to the brackets. And then once you confirm that there's contact between all 3 brackets and the base, you can torque them to the appropriate specs. Once the robot is secured in place, then we can dock the cart. Once everything's connected, we can plug the robot in. To learn more about our FastLOAD CX1000, reach out to us at 844-4ACETA or acieta.com.